zongo man pya musul sa adina ma pune ko su kane onan gbana be adina ma puna mo su karne part-time Muslim nya jong wula kan on dol pura mate ko mala shablao jong wula jong kara ko dol pura di pa jong karango pur jong shale to man boy but that's my own definition of part-time Muslims. So then there is an makanya part-time Muslim. Yara ni akbar binding yara faith. Iman akbar manama. Banda menye part-time Muslims ma. So bin as part-time Muslims. Beti iman ba biven yalangama. Denen chaka yelama kana te gab tab shamma. Den chaka yela jitu zo shamma. Hear me? Yara mezunga dab surunga den kan yen zan building ye toa. A part-time Muslim cannot and can never fight a full-time devil. Tarakunku. Even hale part-time Christian can never fight a full-time devil. Full-time devil nyala kama nimvo biao ngumbe bihira. They are not weak. Nimvo biao nyu nazo be bihira. Ay bora nyin nang kam o renew yeleme. O lab ngo karbak bo lab la shel karbak ba o lab la shel karbak bo lab la shel karbak ba. O tien chia to wum no chia. Bi on lab ben ya sha karbak ba ra ka do jirma. Di ti chulan klo nyavel no tumi. So full-time devil yellow tupam. So I am a part-time Muslim, part-time Christian. You can never fight a full-time devil. A imani be biven yalanga. Adam ngo mali ya akoto tuhu. Akoto fight to back. La kan bwana yalama. A part-time Muslim or a part-time Christian can never and cannot fight a full-time devil. Sheka balanyir zaba. Sheka zangla za'anang adadine ne. Zangma za'anang andi shel tablemani. I zanga za'anang andi shel tablemani. And I'm telling you today, you're gonna fight a full-time devil. Masa, we have spent years. Tidisahapam. Tam kamza ka sur na wulen dumana on temang womi betara. Mostly, den tozu pam karanyela, a full-time devil is fighting you. I spent years without asking him, to remove certain things in your life. Maybe addiction for the sins you committed. Adisahapam. Adisahapam. Be chakanyelongo abukursaha nangde. Adumana woni. Ndumana woni nsura. Song mama. Nkarche tuana kachama. Desa sin shanga be tali shanga komitira biya hago punuma. La tali shanga komitirma. Na ungula kachila tema. You have spent years kaba suru aduana mutatapse. So kubiane for over the past years kama zongo yumaka jimbelema. Halona jonko protasba konye nawo yushelon kuvu 100 odam melle. Anyebo. So this kind of people, you can't fight a full-time devil. Ako to devil be nimvo biaso ngombe bihira. I'm telling you. I'm kuto bang. Basa. Chakan yela ito shele. Yepam yeremi ben zang e photo no be yu chante te basse. Ne be lapsi ya nyanga sham. Na on yiri yan yihir le poloki nyara. Ana bang na on yuwa. I'm telling you. So dipa azang la mantina on za. Kato yer na on no chelben yer shanga panga. Antum tali shanga bi hago pune. Dipa to zo maka yer na on no chel panga. You can't stand a full-time devil. La kan bwana yera ma. Dozo miwoma adenembele ma. Kakpanga man pam. You do not have every right to judge a single soul like me. Kama somebody like you, can you not hear? Come on,